Yo, it's your boy Pleasure Ellis, headed out to Sacramento. That's like right up the block, so it's gonna be a big showtime here in Sacramento, y'all. It's going down tonight. It's Hammer Time. It's your boy Pleasure Ellis. God bless y'all. So how about y'all follow me and let's go to Sacramento. Let's go to sound check, y'all. It's sound check time, y'all. It's going down.
Yep, hey, Sacramento, man, got Rude Boy again, y'all.
Tanning.
We always do this, don't
Sacramento. We always do this.
Right up the block.
What is it? What is State Fair?
Man.
Yeah.
This
Hey,
is
y'all.
another one. Feel me?
Hey, y'all, tell y'all the Albert Einsteins are dancing right here, both of them. It's brand new because the brain works in certain areas the other brains don't work.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. I tell them like this, P. I tell them to use the occipital bone. You feel me? That's the back part of your skull.
Right.
Then I tell them the parietal. You got to use both sides of the parietal. That's this and this right here.
Yeah.
When you use this frontal lobe,
Right.
see, then you Einstein this dance shit.
It's Einstein of dance moves. It's incredible. And the second Einstein of dancing is right here.
Yeah, he uses all that stuff. Most of mine honestly comes from my brain stem.
Brain stem.
That's where it is.
It's the brain stem that's real cleaned off.
Real clean talk.
It's real cleaned
Real
off.
glossy. It's real glossy down there, man. Real glossy.
It's real glossy. Some is dirty and nasty, but yours is clean, so the moves are outstanding.
Ah.
Here we go, showtime, y'all. Well, it's not showtime. It's sound check time.
It's all together.
DJ Mike G right here. Sound check time. What time is it,
Any
Mike?
other cars you'd want to talk about?
Sound check time. See his weed on. See the shoes he got?
You got something like
Tom,
that. This is the Dickie Man shoes, baby. The Dickie Man.
Dickie Man shoes.
Dickie Man.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Mike G? What kind of shoes?
Baby, you know what I'm saying? We down here in Sac, man. You know what we gonna do, Pete. We're gonna put it down like we always do. You know
Exactly.
Ain't nothing new to this.
I want to see the brains, Mike. I want to see the brains when we do this.
Pete, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the brain.
Give me a
okay?
sneak peek of the brains.
Real quick.
I want to see the brains for Mike. Oh, I can see the brains, man. Oh, yeah. Brian right here is going in, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You know it's going down, you know. Yeah. Sound check time. Sound check, baby.
Yeah, sound check.
Sound check, man. Yeah.
Sound check.
Whatever going on. Right, exactly. The brains, just the brains, baby. The brains and the whole outfit, baby. That's how we do it. All right. Brian right here, yeah. Sound check, y'all. All right. Sound check, y'all. Got you, man. What's up, Ellis? You're the man. Thank you, man. I love your music, brother. Thank you, man.